Wagwan peepers. I am heading into Kingston. Yes, I'm looking raggedy today. I'm heading into Kingston. I'm going to go do a little bit of shopping for my guest room. I'm just getting like some sheets and like some little stuff. I have a visitor coming. My aunt is coming to visit for the holiday season, so I'm just getting a little things to make the space a little bit nice. All right, so yeah, y'all going shopping with me today. Basically, I'm going to a few places. I'm going to go to first. I'm going to go to Woolworths and see what they got, and then I'm going to across the street and go to Courts. And then if I don't see nothing, I'll probably go to Fontana, or I don't know. I'll find some little shopping something that I can get, like just, I'm looking for bedding mostly. Like sheets and stuff like that. Oh, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Mocha Mazelle. I live in Jamaica. I left America about 4 years ago now. And yeah, so this is gonna be a day in the life, maybe like a vlog or something, who knows. All right, so let's see what's going on with the traffic. So we are now in the Ligony area. I was supposed to be getting my internet installed on Friday. They didn't show up. And then they sent the text saying, we coming today. They don't tell you what time either. They just, we coming today. So I was like, I'm not going to be sitting waiting on y'all. And I got stuff to do. So hopefully I don't miss them. Like I said, I'm not planning on being out super long, but I need my internet. Right now I'm using like the satellite internet, which has been getting me by, but I need something a little bit more structural. So yeah, let me know how y'all are doing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I also have where you can support the channel if you want. I'll put the link below, but you can be like a channel supporter, and I'm still figuring out how I'm going to go about doing it, but you can request some video topics or things like that if you become a channel subscriber or a supporter to my channel. Basically, it's like a membership thing. So, oh, back to me now. It might give me like a little snacky snack. I really don't have much of an appetite, but I'm trying to lay out the patties. But yeah, I got some fruit and stuff that I need to eat, but not getting no KFC or nothing like that. I'll probably just grab something in passing, like a literal snack. But I probably do need to get some food as well. I don't know. I didn't set anything out before I left. I just was like, oh, let's go. I don't know what I'm eating today. I ain't even think that far. Maybe they got some of them little, what they call them, haberdasheries or something. I'm not doing a whole lot. Like, if I don't find nothing in the 1, 2, 3 spots I'm going within the vicinity, I'm probably just gonna be like, here you go, girl, I tried. I'm not doing it. I'm not fooling it. I'm not going this, there, and that place. I'm not going over yonder. I'm not going downtown. I'm going right within those vicinities. I went to Maxie's the other day. Didn't really see anything impressive, and I feel like it was a little overpriced for what they were selling. But again, that's relative. I did try to look online. I saw some stuff on Quartz. I thought I was like, okay, I could probably work with this. Woolworths doesn't have an online presence that I know of, so I couldn't check. But I've been in there a few times. I saw they had like bedded and stuff, or like home decor things. So So that's it. And grab me a little snacky snack. And get back up this mountain before these folks. They probably will try and come when I ain't there. Because that's how they do you. They want to wait till you good and gone and moved on with your life. Then here they come. Isn't this so nice, you guys? I forgot I got me like a little tripod thingy finally that I can like plug onto my little dashboard thing. And so I can just clip my phone on it, and then yeah, I can talk to y'all hands free. I also posted. It's like a little clip tripod, and I didn't want the one that like stuck to the dash because those never work for me. It's like that thing be tossing and turning, and it don't stay on there. So I was like, this would probably be more feasible for my setup. And then it's like a little clip, so I can clip it anywhere basically. But I'm probably just gonna leave it in my vehicle so I can show y'all when I ride around or whatever and all the things. Hopefully it's straight. Sorry y'all. They had some circus or something. I don't know if y'all can see. I think it was a circus they had in Kingston. Oh, big grown pothole. Excuse me, y'all. Okay. Oh, look, and I can just clip my phone back on. I ain't got to do all that. Yeah, I like this one. I did not go to the circus. I don't know what all they had over there, but oh, Lord have mercy. Ain't nobody watching. Went to the circus. How was it? Oh, I always forget to get out this thing when I'm coming over here. So that is the Devon House area over there. I'm not going to Apple Tree. Not going through Halfway Tree. Oh, excuse me. Please move. Nope. No, thank you. No, thank you. No. No, I'm all right. Don't come over here. Okay. They go to Krispy Kreme and the Popeyes over there, y'all. Y'all see the big Krispy Kreme? You see how we step up in a life? Look. We got Popeyes, Krispy Kreme. They go. Well, you can't see nothing. They got stuff set up out there. I don't know what's going on. But no. No. I said no. This should be. I'm not. No. I want y'all to witness this because I'm not paying nothing. No. Okay. Jesus Christ. No, I'm not have nothing for you. I'm gonna tell you no. All right. All right, here we go. There go big Popeyes. There go big Krispy Kreme. Y'all seeing it? Ooh. what they setting up at Devin House. I need to get out more. I be wanting to, but I just, when it's like activities and things like where it's gonna draw a large crowd, I can't stay in the traffic. Like, so I probably have to park somewhere and then just go about on foot and taxi and stuff. I can't deal with it. I can't manage y'all. Alright, so now we're finna pull up in some of like the plaza area. There's plazas area, I don't know where the plazas be at. And halfway tree. So there's South Deal Plaza up there. People, they got oranges, pineapple, I already got that. And our coconuts. I wouldn't mind having that. There go the True Value place. There go Court. So we're gonna go over here in this section first, and then we're gonna walk over to Court, so we're gonna see nothing. So let's find Woolworths. Then there's Wendy's. I don't know if y'all can see the decorations and stuff. Hopefully you can. Amar's, do Amar's sell bedding and stuff? I know they got clothes in there. I don't think I'm going in there, but Excuse me, peeper. Thanks. So, also with a park, we're gonna be stationed here. Let me go over here where ain't too many cars at. Sapphire a little antisocial. She don't like being in congested spaces. Oh, big Merry Christmas sign. So this is my little MagSafe tripod mount thing. So it's like a clip. I didn't trust this thing with my screen, so I put like a little, I need to get a piece of foam or something to put there. So, cause I didn't want to press it against it and like crack it. But this is it. I don't know if y'all can see it. And then it like bends and rotates and other stuff. And so I would just click it like that, and then it sticks on there.
On your right, balance here.
Thank you.
It's probably not working now.
These are pretty. I think I like them. See how I'm coming in for stuff I want? Okay. Alright, so let's see if we can find. I'm not back from stuff. Excuse, sorry. Uh-oh. You're messing up stuff. For a shower hanger. Okay. I don't want these plastic ones though because they be breaking so easily. Okay. I did not come in for no curtains. Alright. Towels. Wow, didn't they have? Oh, okay. Okay, I like this color. I was looking for like something like a sage green or like a deep pretty peacock blue. Alright, I'm gonna come back. If I don't see anything else, I'm gonna come back and get one of these things. I don't know what this is. What's this for, y'all? Spoon is the Decor. Whew. All right. Walked across the street to Courts now, so let's see what we can find. All right. Bedding. All right, so let's see. This is a pretty color. That's a quilt. Not looking for a quilt. That's king, but I do like that color. I like that blue. All right. This is a queen. Okay, let's see. It says luxury, but how? Let's see what material you made out of. Polyester and microfiber. Yeah. So that's about 3,000. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I'm gonna have to sit and think about this. These are just pillowcases. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna pass on quartz today. I don't know. I'm just not really. I think I like the selection at Woolworth's better. But let's see. So I'm going back over to Woolworths, and I think I'm gonna try and get those curtains. Is that who I think it is? Is that who I think it is, y'all?
What are you doing, my brother? Order one. I'm good. What size seat you're looking for?
I think it is. I can't think of his name right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was him. All right, we're gonna blow this cafe. I'll get my sound system. Not gonna tell me nothing. Okay. I did one. Check these out. I want a stainless steel dish set. And I still ain't got no stove, y'all. All right, y'all. Nothing from Quartz, I don't think. I think I found that same stuff over in Woolworths for less. So, but you know what? I forgot about Rapid True Value, and I think they got like bitterness stuff in there too. We finna go check and see again since we in the vicinity. All right, so let's go see what's going on over here. So. Okay, let's see. These are quilts. I'm looking for quilts. Okay, let's see the sheet sets that they have. Oh, they got air mattresses. Oh, these are higher than Quartz. Okay. Let's see. Oh, at least these are cotton. Okay. This is the color I was looking for, and please don't cost that much. Is this the price down here? Oh man, I can't swing that right now. I don't think. What size is this? It's King. See, that was the color I was looking for. Hello.
Can I ask you a question?
What's that? Sorry, before I got interrupted, as usual. Okay. All right. So they had a color, but they didn't have a size. I need to hurry up and get this over with. Who has time for this? All right. How much for the mattress pad? Hello, miss. You know how much for the mattress pad? She can't hear me. All right, so I just left the Rapid True Value hardware place. They had some nice stuff, but it was expensive, out of my budget. But when I'm looking to get some organic cotton and stuff like that, I'll probably go back there. So I don't know. Ah, Jesus, Lord have mercy. You can't walk around in peace out here, you know. I cannot have any peace. No walk around out here. So now we're going into, is it Amars? Yeah, so I don't know what's happening.
This side. Oh no, where is that side?
All right, Amars. This is what we're working with here. Bath. We got some pretty beach towels. I don't know what she is. Don't know. Hello. Yes, thank you. What is the price in Mars? Let's see, 50% off. Let's see what we have. That's pretty. Oh, I bet you they don't have any matching panels either for the ones that's on sale. That is a pretty color. All right, y'all, I'm gonna look around a bit and see. So I'm not just walking around aimlessly with my phone. All right, so I'm gonna just quit wasting all this time and go back back over here to Woolworths. Again, Mars has some nice stuff, but not in the budget that I'm looking for right now. So maybe later we'll come back and do those things. I gotta take a matcha break. And I had a free coupon, so don't come for me. Alright, we're going back to Woolworths, because I got stuff to do, so I'm just gonna grab what I can. And then I gotta head back up to these mountains. Because I work, and I have other things to do. Okay, y'all, the bag is secured. And gotta hurry up, I'm trying to get back to the house. I'll show y'all my mini haul. Ooh. Sapphire is supposed to get cleaned up today, but that ain't gonna happen. Oh, Lord. Okay, so I got this queen sheet set right here. It was $3,100. That's about what? It's probably about $20 for the set. And then I got a mattress protector with cooling technology. That was a little bit about the same. So about $20. I spent about $40. And then I got some shower curtain rods. And then I got some curtains for my big window. Ain't she pretty? I got 3 of these and they was $1,500 each. So they was like probably about $10 a curtain. Okay, so that's my shopping haul for today. Yeah, probably doing. This is a shopping plaza. That's the next one behind me and all of that good stuff. So when I'm finished setting up the room for my aunt, I will be sharing that as well. That's my tripod thingy. I think I tried to show y'all. Anyways, all right, so thanks for watching. It's hot. All right, about to go back up the mountains where it's nice and cool. And see y'all next time. Anything you need to know gonna be in the description. Bye. Thanks for watching.